Eldorado.gg. Is it safe for buying game accounts and gold? So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like my video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Eldorado.gg has become one of the go-to marketplaces for gamers looking to buy or sell game accounts, gold items, and even boosting services for popular titles like RuneScape, GTA Online, Genshin Impact, and many more. But with so many scams in the gaming market, it's natural to wonder, is it actually safe to use? The short answer is yes. Eldorado.gg is a legitimate and well-structured platform that connects buyers and sellers while offering strong protection systems. Every transaction goes through a secure escrow system. Your payment is held in Eldorado until you confirm the item or account is delivered as promised. This setup prevents frauds and ensures both parties follow through. The site also supports multiple payment methods, including PayPal, credit cards, and crypto, with optional 2FA for extra security. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can quickly find offers, compare seller ratings, and filter by delivery speed or price. Sellers are verified through ID checks, and user reviews give good transparency about who you're dealing with. Customer support is available via live chat and ticket system, and in most cases, disputes are resolved fairly. Still, there are a few cautions. Some sellers operate independently, so it's best to stick with verified or highly rated ones. Delivery times can also vary by game, and while rare, there's always some risk when dealing with third-party account sales. But overall, Eldorado is one of the safest and most reliable marketplace for digital game goods. Its escrow protection, verified sellers, and active support makes it a solid choice for gamers looking to buy or sell securely. Just use common sense, check seller ratings, and you're likely to have a smooth experience.